Hasn't the human being observed that we created him from a dirty fluid? فَإِذَا هُوَ خَصِيمٌ مُبِينٌ. Then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, he starts arguing so clearly. He thinks he's got such clear arguments. You know the parallel to this, if you want to appreciate what Allah is saying in this ayah? One day comes and your son, you're the mother, one day comes the son starts arguing with you. Talks back and raises his voice. And you tell your son, MashaAllah, there was a day I used to hold you in my arms and clean your diaper. I used to feed you. I was carrying you in my belly. This is what you were. And MashaAllah, you've grown so much that you can argue like this now. You made me proud. How much progress you've made. It's a humiliating thing to say to the son. I'm equipping mothers with lines as though they need them. They already got them all. I get from them, they don't get from, But anyway, Allah is saying, look at this human being. He was made from this, nutfah. And now he's arguing about what? I'm not sure if God exists. Hellfire, messenger. Really? You have that you're a pretty brave soul. That you can argue in this way. فَإِذَا هُوَ خَصِيمٌ مُبِينٌ. And he's constantly engaged in argument. Allah is talking about an arrogant type of person who's khasim, fa'il. Always looking for an argument. Always looking for a debate. وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا. He starts giving all kinds of theoretical hypotheses for us. He starts presenting all kinds of examples for us. وَنَسِيَ خَلْقَهُ. The only thing missing from that entire philosophical debate is his own creation. He forgot what he's made, how he was made.